Hey friends, so we're doing some outdoor work today, and as you see, Mommy and I went over to Lowe's. We picked up some soil and some mulch and things that we need to do for the outside of this yard. So one thing we want to do is, sure, we're going to get to this, and we'll show you when we get to that process of kind of taping out where we want things to be, the electrical, but the yard, I'm not going to say it's been a mess, but it is kind of a mess. You know, the boys and I came out here and we raked up all the leaves and got rid of those. And I guess it wasn't done yet because we still got leaves. Nowhere near as bad as it was. Then we got kind of a mess in the corner here. And we tried to keep it out of the video. Doesn't matter. It still got captured in there. Clearly, we just moved into this house and we have a crap ton of boxes off on the side here that we need to kind of break down and get out so that the garbage people can take it away. It's a very nice day today. It warmed up. We're going to have a nice little warm spell within the next week or so. Hopefully it stays that way. And we're just going around the house right now, actually in the backyard, and trying to get things the way that we want it.
So yeah, like Daddy was saying, I'll say Daddy, I'll say Dwayne.
I'm leaving that.
So like Dwayne was saying, today's a beautiful day outside. We have a nice warm spell and we're going to definitely take advantage of it. So we're going to do some yard cleanup. We also got a new grill and a smoker that we're super excited to use. We obviously had to get rid of our old grill because we weren't hauling that down from Connecticut all the way down to Alabama. So just kind of getting some stuff together in anticipation of the warm weather.
No, don't let that. All right. Try to get these up underneath the deck. And then just kind of clear this area out. Put these here. Oh, it feels like it's full of water again. I might have to.
I have to drain them.
Yeah. Well, at least this one is full of water. I don't know so much about
That I think the drain plug is open on that one.
Yeah, he opened them all.
Storm! Don't drink that water. You're gonna get sick.
No.
Did she bite you? Did she bit your bracelet?
Yes. Hey. Get from over. No. So crazy.
Storm. Get out of there. Get out of there.
What I need is for her to get out of the way.
What are you doing? Don't drink that water. It's yuck water. Storm. Get away from that water. It's gonna make for a soppy, muddy mess.
Yeah.
So Storm was being a little menace out here, trying to drink the water that's in the kayaks, and we don't know if it can upset her stomach or make her sick or anything, so obviously we don't want her to drink dirty water that's been sitting. So she had to go in the house, and she was not very happy about that. We had to bribe her with a treat. Here she is looking outside. You can see all of her little muddy paw prints all over the door when she's ready to come in, but she's not very happy about having to stay in the house. Pretty sure we'll have some muddy paw prints on the curtains when we go back inside. So one of the things that we want to do is lay down some grass seed in some of the sparse parts of the yard. The yard it's in pretty decent shape, but it's a little patchy. There's a lot of like clay areas. There's some areas that are just like dirt spots. A crap ton of leaves that we're gonna have to kind of sweep up or blow and rake out of the yard, but then lay down some grass seed, so then that way when spring fully comes, it'll be ready to start blooming. I was doing some research that the grass seed that we're looking at getting, it'll like be dormant during the winter. So if we do get another cold spell, it shouldn't be impacted too much. But drop a comment. Let me know what type of grass seed you guys use, and if you live in like similar conditions, when do you usually sow your seeds, and if there's any issues if you lay it during like some of the colder months.
Every time I turn around, you behind me. What's up?
What's
hey,
up?
camera. Hey, what's going on? You want me to say something else?
Don't you have a channel, Brandon?
No.
Are you going to start a channel?
I might someday. I don't know.
You might. What's the name of your channel going to be?
I don't know. I gotta make the channel first.
Oh,
Before I
okay.
come up with a name.
All right.
Why?
What about on TikTok?
A TikTok?
Yeah.
I don't got one of those.
So you
Why?
can't leave your socials so the people can interact with you?
Nah, I don't got one. No, unfortunately.
Okay.
I'll make one though if you want me to.
Yeah.
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 Okay, I'll make one.
All right.
What should I name myself?
Bran.
No. No Bran.
Bran.
No.
How about Bran the man?
No.
Okay.
That's not your name on TikTok.
No, that's not my name. That's your name. That's why.
What your name? Shan?
That's not, nobody ever called me that.
I'm stuck on that.
No, you're not.
Shan.
I'm your mother. You don't say that. You don't call me by my first name. You can't call me by, but that's a derivative of my first name. You don't call your father Dwayne.
I don't. That sounds weird. First of all, I wouldn't call him that.
Okay.
I'm Bran and you're Shan.
You're not. I'm not gonna be Shan to you.
No.
No.
It'll be Doi.
Dway. You don't need safety glasses?
I'm a man's man.
Yeah, but you still want both your eyes. So Daddy is cutting down some of the brush so that way we can get these leaves outside of the gate. And I'm going to set the camera back up. There it is behind me. I'm going to set the camera back up on the deck because I'm not trying to get one of my eyes poked out by a flying tree limb.